Hey Internet, Tyler Talks Tech here, and today I'm here to talk about my solar lights. So these come in three pieces. So it's this guy, another extension rod, and then a stake. You can see, obviously, I was putting it outside earlier, so there's some dirt on there. But I do like the intricate design. This does seem like tough plastic. I will say though, it does hold a good charge as well. I will say though, I didn't know this until I had read the directions, and you can see it trying to come on there because it is a flame flickering bulb, but there is an on-off switch right here, just to be wary of that. I'll go ahead and turn it on and install it back in. There we go. I'll go ahead and turn my light off here so we can kind of more clearly see how it looks like. I'll even turn the other light off so you can see it even better in the dark. So yeah, that's definitely like the design on it. It definitely gives Halloween spoopy vibes. They do come in a 10 pack, so you can leave these out. They supposedly are water resistant. I haven't been able to test that yet, so just be wary of that in case that happens to you. But I do really like these. I really love the flicker, and they do come in purple as well in case you want to go with that style for your decor. These are really great, really festive, and I definitely recommend.